This is the first topic of Unit 1, Introduction to Cloud Computing. First of all, we need to understand what is cloud computing. So here, cloud means internet and computing means any type of computation related to services. So it is known as internet-based computing, which includes services like servers, storage and applications are delivered to an organization or an individual or group of members through the internet. The basic need to do any type of cloud computation is the internet. If we don't have internet connection proper, network connection proper, then we cannot use any services related to cloud computing. So, and in this, the main benefit is that you have to pay only for those services you use. You don't have to pay extra money for any services. This is the main advantage of this cloud computing. It is flexible. We don't need any type of cost for infrastructure, not for maintenance, not for manpower, etc. So here we can see the cloud computing figure, which includes private cloud, public cloud and hybrid cloud. These three clouds are the deployment models of the cloud computing, which we will study further. And cloud computing provides us server, storage, mobile applications, database as the services we need. In simple terms, we can say that cloud computing is the delivering of on-demand computing services. On-demand means whenever the resources are needed, they are provided by the cloud services, by cloud providers. Cloud computing provides an alternative to the on-premises data center. On-premises data center means physical storage of the data. So it provides an alternative, as it does not need any purchasing or installing hardware, any type of operating system installation. It all provides on the basis of subscription. We can subscribe for these services and we will get and we'll pay for those services only. We don't have to be responsible for any maintenance during all the processes. If we choose cloud computing, a cloud vendor is responsible for the hardware purchase and maintenance. There are certain advantages which are low maintenance cost and pay per use, which means if we use cloud computing concept, we don't have to pay much. We just have to pay for the little maintenance, that is low maintenance cost, and pay per use. The services we use, we pay only for those services. No extra cost is paid. Backup and restore data. Backup and restore data is also an advantage, that if we have lost the data from the physical storage, we can easily get backup from the cloud. High speed. If we have the good network connection, we can highly upload the data easily in full speed, and we can also download the data easily. Accessibility and mobility means we can access data from anywhere in the world, and it is mobile also, mobility also, because we can if we want the data if we are at the remote centers also, then also we can access the data from anywhere. Unlimited storage capacity. Cloud provides us unlimited storage. It depends on how much you are paying for that cloud services. They will provide you accordingly. Everything has advantages, then it has also some disadvantages. So first disadvantage is performance can vary. When you are working in a cloud environment, your application is running on the server, which simultaneously provides resources to other businesses. Any malicious attack, any attacker can affect your performance when the resources are shared in between. Technical issues. There might be some technical issues. There may be some network issues, internet connection problem, maintenance problem, etc. There is also the security threat, as we can say that while working with cloud computing services, security risk is higher because the data is at the cloud, but attacker may attack on that data easily. So hackers might access this information. So there is always a threat of security in the cloud concept. Internet connectivity should be good while you're using cloud computing. You can't access cloud without an internet connection. Lower bandwidth. Many cloud storage providers limit bandwidth usage of their users. In case your organization uses high bandwidth or extra bandwidth, then they have to pay additional charges accordingly. So this was the basic of what is cloud computing. Here we have understand what is cloud computing, what is cloud, etc.